Why does ice float on water? Ever noticed that ice cubes float in your drink? It's not random, it's a captivating scientific phenomenon. Most substances sink when they freeze, but water defies the trend, and the secret lies in how its molecules behave when temperatures drop. When water freezes, its molecules form a rigid crystalline structure held together by hydrogen bonds. This arrangement creates empty spaces, making ice less dense than liquid water. In simpler terms, ice is lighter, so it floats while liquid water stays below. This isn't just a neat party trick, it's essential for life. If ice sank, lakes and oceans would freeze solid from the bottom up, killing aquatic life. Instead, floating ice creates an insulating layer, protecting ecosystems below and supporting Earth's biodiversity. Did this answer ignite your curiosity? Leave a comment with your questions about the wonders of science. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing insights. Together, let's uncover the incredible mysteries our world holds.